Now, you won't become an Etsy millionaire overnight. However, you can for sure make consistent sales with these 3 print-on-demand products that I'm about to get into. Hey, good people. If you're new here, my name is Alex, and today's video is talking about the top 3 products that are going to make you consistent sales, pretty much easy money makers when you start your print-on-demand Etsy business. Now, the reason why I want to focus on the product first is because once you figure out what product to sell, it's honestly just so much easier for you, and it creates a really better working system. Like if you have a full-time job like myself, or you have other full-time commitments, identifying a really good selling product is honestly one of the easiest parts when selling print on demand. Now, Printify is my go-to platform of what I use to sell my products on Etsy, and I have seen a lot of success. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So let's get right on to it. Now, I'm going to start with the product categories, okay? And from this category, I'll list out different types of items that are really good sellers and then make consistent sales for your Etsy shop. The first product category that makes consistent sales, honey, is stationery products. When it comes to like little quirky greeting cards, post-it notes, notebooks, people eat these up. I've seen it myself. Just to be transparent, my top selling product for my Etsy shop are post-it notes, okay? They're not t-shirts, they're not hats or anything. Literally, it's a post-it note, and it was kind of like unexpected, to be honest with you. And so once I did more research, okay, collected my gems, I realized that the more I pour into adding more stationery products, there's a high chance that my shop can have a better earning potential. And so that's why I think that this is a really good, product when it comes to being a print-on-demand seller. I say this all the time, but using Printify allows so much ease when it comes to having a business. I don't have any post-it notes outside from the ones I personally use for my own job that I have in my apartment, okay? Printify has all of that inventory. All I have to do is create it, okay? Come up with an idea, a design, slap it on a post-it note, and they do the rest for me. This has been proven to be a top selling product too when it comes to the consistent sales, because this is what I like to call a just because product. When you create a product that can be sold all year round, you are going to win, okay? Hands down, you got to put in the work, and it does not come overnight, but it is a long game. And the longer you play and you are consistent and you're learning to be more creative, you gonna win, okay? Trust me on that one. So when it comes to stationery products, I will start thinking about what stationery products you can sell for a particular target market. Case in point, teachers, okay? Teachers are always writing down something, some type of quick note, some type of hall pass, you name it, okay? You can also make stationery products for students. The easiest thing, students have to write notes down and things like that. When it comes to professions, tap into like therapists, psychiatrists. I want to give you real ideas because after you watch this video, I want you to get to work, okay? So those are some really good like target market examples, but the product, stationery, hands down, will always make you consistent sales, especially once you figure out what design is really going to sell well, and most importantly, sell all year round. One of the best things I love about stationery products is that it does not require complex designs. I've mentioned this before, but simple sales, okay? So when it comes to designing a product, I would try to start with text-based designs before you dive into the Photoshops and Illustrators and stressing yourself out. Start with something simple, okay? It does not require you to have a PhD in graphic designing, okay? But I will say that when you tap into a simple design market, you can kind of discover that there's a lot of other products to sell too with just simple text-based designs. So wanted to also mention that again, I have made a lot of money selling post-it notes, and trust and believe the design that's on this post-it note is as simple as all get out, okay? It is literally so simple. I cannot make this up, okay? So I hope this changed your mind when it comes to figuring out what products you can sell, because stationery products are winning, and they winning right now as we speak. The second product category that makes consistent sales is drinkware, okay? So we're talking about coffee mugs, we're talking about shot glasses, we're talking about those cute Libby glasses with the lid and a straw for the cute iced coffee, okay? All of those are really great products to sell. And the reason why I know that is because I did my research, okay? Sellers are making tens of thousands of dollars per month in revenue, I'm sure, but still high 4-5 figure months. I mean, who don't want that, right? Like, come on, let's be for real. Who does not want that? So when it comes to another top selling print on demand product, highly recommend that you tap into the drinkware space, okay? This is where you can also be very creative. You can do personalized drinkware. Okay, so for moms, for best friends, again, professions, you can never go wrong with putting something personable to your audience on a mug, especially if they are avid like coffee or tea drinkers. This is going to be something that you can really, play up in, so to speak, and make more money consistently, because stuff like this is going to sell all year round. People buy mugs for Christmas, for Halloween, they love the little festive drinkware. I'm sure you've seen people walking around work with different theme style drinkware. And if you have seen that, then that's even more proof that this product is going to sell all year round. Now, the third product category that makes sales all year round is the clothing category. Now, I know some of you might be biased and think that this is a super saturated market, and it probably is. Who knows? But you have to have the mindset that you can design a in-demand product and make a lot of money. That's literally the secret sauce to winning this game. The more you feel intimidated and afraid that you are not going to make it work, you've already lost, okay? So when it comes to selling any type of clothing item, whether it be t-shirts, sweatshirts, onesies, you need to be creative. But I say all that to say, this is still a top selling product that people are buying in every single day, okay? You guys know that people are getting married all year round. People are celebrating graduations and Mother's Day, Father's Day, holidays. Just fun shirts just because, right? This is a product that will sell all year round. I've seen it, okay? I know it for a fact. The numbers don't lie. So when it comes to selling clothing items, and if you are intimidated to tap into this product market, then I want to challenge you to step outside the box. Try selling onesies. Try selling things for pets. People have t-shirts for pets all the time. So that's what you have to start doing. You can't be afraid to tap into something all because you think that everybody and their mama doing it. That might be true, but what you gonna do about it, okay? So I'll say that to say t-shirts and clothing, hands down, is still one of the top selling print on demand products. And honey, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm about to tap into it because I know that it sells well, and I know that I'm gonna have consistent sales once I tap into a really good target market and make an in-demand product. Ultimately, you control your own success when it comes to selling Etsy print on demand or print on demand in general, whether that's on Shopify or whatever other platform you use that's not Etsy. You control your success. So if you wanted to get started selling print on demand in 2024, it ain't too late. Nothing is too late, okay? You have to believe in yourself, and you have to realize that this is something that you have to play for the long game. Comment down below if you are willing to be a part of the long game team, okay? Because trust me, the longer you are consistent and down for your business, you are going to be successful. That is something that's unavoidable, but you can't quit, okay? So I'm kind of being your little tough big sister over here. But I say all that to say, these 3 products are going to make you sales all year round, and I know that for a fact, okay? But that is it for today's video, my friends. When talking about making consistent sales on Etsy, these 3 products are for sure kind of ironclad, right? Like I said, easy money makers, and it'll be easier once you define that product. And now that I've given you 3, you can hit the ground running. All you have to do is just put in that work to do your product research, start designing, and it's up from there, okay? So that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're liking the vibe, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.